Alright family, welcome back to the channel. Listen, you all are absolutely smashing yesterday's video. Today I checked the analytics and boom, 305 likes. We are aiming for 350 likes and you guys are destroying these like goals. So now we're going big again. New challenge, 350 likes on this video. So let's keep pushing because the more you like, the more YouTube pushes this video out so more Galaxy users can join our squad. So today I've got 7 Samsung Galaxy features, new ones, hidden ones, and underrated ones that every user should know. New user, OG Samsung lovers, this is all for you. And trust me, some of these features are game changing. Alright, let's jump into it. So feature number 1 is where you can add a text to your lock screen. So imagine you're rushing out the door, you grab your phone, check the time, and boom, right on your lock screen you see one reminder you always forget. Take your meds. Or keys are in the drawer, or even a motivational line like stay focused. You didn't have to unlock anything, open any apps, the reminder is literally there, first thing you see when you wake up your lock screen. So Samsung lets you add custom text to your lock screen, notes, quotes, emergency info, reminders, anything. So you can change the font, color, positioning, transparency, and even style it to match your wallpaper. So it's built directly into the customization menu. So it's super simple and doesn't require any third-party apps. The app is provided from Samsung itself. So let me show you how to do this. So to add text to your lock screen, go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. So Good Lock app is an app which is available from your Samsung store. Next, go ahead and install the Lockstar module. Tap on it. This will now take you to your lock screen. So since I'm using an app to set my wallpapers, it'll look like this. However, for you guys, you might just see a normal wallpaper. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on Lockstar. And here you want to go ahead and tap on Add Text. Now here you want to go ahead and write your motivational line or maybe a reminder. So I'll just put down the simple dad. So that's my YouTube channel. We'll go ahead and change the font. I'll just go ahead and move this at the top here. We'll go ahead and change the font. So I like this font here. We can go ahead and make it small or big. Change the alignment. Put in the center. Go ahead and change the color. So change the color according to your wallpaper. Now once that's done, press done. Press home. Now go ahead and lock your screen. Wake it up. And now you have text right there on your lock screen. So you get instant reminders without unlocking your phone. You just have to wake it up. Customization freedom to match your personality and theme. This is useful for emergency info like contacts or medical notes. Now feature number 2 is your quick share. So this has been updated with the new UI. So you're hanging out with your friends and everyone wants a photo you just took instantly. So no more group chat compressions, no more connecting to random sites like Snapdrop. You swipe down, hit share and boom, all the devices pop up like magic. So here's an example. Go ahead and open up an image. So for example, these 3. Then I can go ahead and tap on share and then go ahead and tap on quick share. And there you have 3 images. And if your friends have a Samsung phone, they'll all appear right here. If they don't, you can just go ahead and tap on QR code or link and go ahead and scan this code or give them the link and they'll be able to download it right away. So quick share now has a new and a cleaner UI, more organized and much faster. So it detects nearby Samsung and even non-Samsung devices instantly. So it also uses improved Wi-Fi Direct plus Bluetooth pairing for smoother transfers. So the update makes file sharing between phones, tablets and PC seamless and way more stable. So here as you can see in receive you have a nice animation of where it's ready to receive from anyone. And the send will basically allow you to see all the stuff that you're sending. So here I'm sending 3 images. They're about 4.4 megabytes in total. I can even share that files with my contacts, even if they're not nearby. So you have faster sharing, big files transfer. So remember, with this, you can basically share 10 gigabyte a day. So what happens is you select a file, it'll basically be uploaded to Samsung server, and then go ahead and transfer it using the QR code link or using the share to devices nearby. So there's no compression, your photos and videos stays full quality all the time. Now, feature number 3 is your adaptive battery protection. So imagine you plug in your phone overnight, you wake up, it's fully charged, but instead of aging your battery, the phone intelligently protects it by learning your habits. So it charges slower during the night and finishes charging right before you wake up. So adaptive protection uses AI to analyze your charging patterns So it only charges up to 80 to 85% when possible, then finishes the remaining portion closer to the time you unplug. This reduces battery strain and heat, and those are the two biggest killer of the lithium batteries. So here, let me go ahead and show you how to turn this feature on. So first, go ahead and open up settings, scroll down, tap on battery. Next, go ahead and scroll down and find battery protection, tap on this. And here you have adaptive protection. So this stops charging at 80% while you're asleep, and then it finishes charging to 100% just before you wake up. So go ahead and turn this feature on. So this is a really important feature as it basically gives you longer battery lifespan. It keeps your phone healthier for years. You have smarter overnight charging without any extra apps. You have less heat and safer battery management for all the users. Now, feature number 4 is your DIY home screen customization. So you're scrolling through your phone and you realize your home screen feels boring. Same icon, same layout, same everything. So you decide to redesign it. New widgets, custom icon packs, theme colors, personalized stack widgets, making your phone truly yours. So Samsung gives you insane freedom for DIY home screen customization. So you can resize widgets, make transparent widgets, hide app names, create stack widgets, change app icons, create aesthetic themes, or even build a minimalistic or a productivity layout. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and you're going to find Home Up. Turn this feature on and then tap on Home Screen. Now go ahead and scroll down and find DIY Home Screen. Go ahead and turn this feature on. We'll tap on this, and here you want to go ahead and enable animate overlapping items when the app launches and use align guidelines on edit mode. So now we're going to press home, and now I'm going to go ahead and edit this home screen here. So to edit this, I'll go ahead and long press on the home screen, tap on DIY here, the top right, and now I can go ahead and edit this. So here's an example. I can go ahead and move this anywhere I like. I can go ahead and even turn this around like this, increase it, decrease it. Now I can take this icon here, go ahead and decrease this, go ahead and place it somewhere here at the bottom, or go ahead and place it in a vertical stack like this. I can go ahead and add all of these emojis here. I can even add some custom stickers. I can add some shapes as well. I can add some text and some hearts and emojis. So this is all I can do on my home screen. So now once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and press back, and that will be basically saved onto my home screen. So as you can see, this is what a normal home screen looks like. Very straight and very bland. So your phone becomes uniquely yours, visually and functionally. So you can boost productivity with custom layouts. This works with Samsung themes, Good Lock, and icon packs for deeper customization. Now, feature number 5 is where you can remove shadows from scanned documents. So you're trying to scan an important document, maybe a form or a contract or maybe a homework, but the lighting isn't perfect. Shadow covers part of the image like this. Instead of retaking the photo 25 times, you open the built-in editor and remove the shadow instantly. Yes, correct, you heard this right. You have a built-in shadow remover on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung Photo Editor lets you erase shadows from documents with a single tap. So it identifies uneven lighting, glare, and shadow areas, then uses AI to smooth them out automatically. So you end up with a clean, bright, PDF-ready document. So here I've taken a picture of a box, and as you can see, my shadow is right there here. So I have light at the top, and I've just basically taken a picture. So now I want to go ahead and remove this shadow. So I'll go ahead and open this in Gallery, swipe up. Now here you'll see some options appear. So you want to find the Erase Shadow option. Tap on this. Now let AI do the job itself. And as you can see, it has removed it. So now once we're happy with that, we'll press Save. We'll save a copy. So now I can show you the before and after. So this is what it was before, and this is what it is now. As you can see, there was a shadow like this, and that's completely gone. Now I can go ahead and take this document and create a PDF out of it. So this way you have cleaner scanned documents without needing perfect lighting. You have professional results without extra apps. This saves time by fixing mistakes instantly. Now feature number 6 is a secret app called Galaxy Enhance X. So you take a great picture, but something feels off. Maybe it's blurry, noisy, too dark, or overexposed. So instead of giving up, you open Samsung's hidden gem called Galaxy Enhance X. So the app analyzes your photo and rebuilds it in seconds like magic. So Galaxy Enhance X is a Samsung's AI super editor. So it can upscale images, remove blur, fix shadows, remove reflection, brighten night photos, and adjust facial details. So it does all automatically. So it uses deep learning enhancements similar to a pro software. So let me show you where you can find this and let me show you how to use this. So here you need to go ahead and open up the Samsung Store. In Samsung Store, you want to search for Galaxy Enhance X. So this app is only exclusive to Samsung phones. So go ahead and open it. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and select a picture or a video. We'll go ahead and select a picture. So for example, this person here. So now Galaxy Enhance X will analyze this picture and will basically show you all these different options which you can do with this picture. So you can do some magic, focus shift, face enhance, a portrait enhance, you can restore the picture, you can do a camera shift, fix any blur, and remove reflections. So let's go ahead and just choose magic for now. Let's see what happens. So this is the before and this is the after. So as you can see, it has played around with the contrast a bit and it has made the picture more cinematic. So if you're happy, press done and that will be saved to that. Next, you can do focus shift. So here you can go ahead and play around with the focus. So let's go ahead and tap on the area where we want the focus. So if you want focus on the background or focus in the front. So you can go ahead and choose what you like. Next, we have a portrait effect. So this gives a portrait effect. So this is before and this is after. So it gives a more bokeh effect to your photos. Next, we have a restore picture. Don't see much change in that. We have camera shift. So it lowers the camera height for longer legs and smaller head. Increase it for long torso. So as you can see, the picture really changes. So this is what it looked like before and this is what it looks now. Then we have the fixed blur, we have remove reflection, focus shift, and we have portrait. And then down below here, you can go ahead and choose all this exposure, quick fixes, people, be creative. So you can create a 24-hour time lapse, or you can go ahead and crop this. So you can go ahead and choose and do anything with that picture. So it transforms a bad photo into a professional quality image. AI tools do all the editing for you. So you have the suggest tool here, which does everything for you, basically suggests you all the tools. So Galaxy Enhance X saves photo you thought were unusable. Now, feature number 7 is your floating keyboard. So you're lying in bed trying to type with one hand. So the keyboard is stuck at the bottom and your thumb can't reach the bottom thing. So you tap the button and boom, your keyboard floats. You can drag it anywhere, make it small, big, left, right, whatever works for your hand. So Samsung keyboard has a floating mode where the entire keyboard becomes a movable window. So you can adjust the size, position, and the layout to type comfortably in any position. So let me show you how to do this. So we'll open up our keyboard here on text message. Now here we'll go ahead and tap on the 3 dots, tap on modes, and then tap on floating keyboard. So now you have a floating keyboard. You can move it anywhere you like. So now you can go ahead and just start typing here, and this will be typing down for you. So one hand typing becomes way easier. So this gives you better reachability for big screens like the S21 Ultra or the Fold. It's fully adjustable for comfort while sitting down, lying down, or multitasking or anything. So there you have it. 7 Samsung Galaxy features that every user should be using in 2026 and beyond. So whether you're a new Galaxy owner or a long-time Samsung fan, these features are here to level up your experience. Make sure to destroy that like button. New challenges, 350 likes. The more likes this video gets, the more YouTube pushes it out to others. Drop a comment on which feature surprised you the most. And of course, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks. Alright family, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.